Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Students, 10th chapter Microsoft Office Word editing text. Our revision is going on. Today we are on the topic of thrashers, using thrashers. Students, Microsoft Office Word provides a reference book called Thrashers. You can see provides a reference book called Thrashers to look for a word having the same meaning, or you can say synonyms. You know what is a synonyms? Many words having the same meaning. So Microsoft Office Word provides you for these words reference book called Thrashers, as well as for the word having the opposite meaning called anatoms also to edit the text. Now it's clear for you what is Thrashers. Microsoft Office Word provides you a reference book called Thrashers. With the help of Thrashers, you can take the words that are having the same meanings. You can search for these words that are having the same meaning, or you can search those words also those are having the opposite meanings also. Okay, now we will learn how we can use Thrashers. You can use Thrashers to help you find just the right word to use in your document. To use right word in your document, you use Thrashers. So first step for using Thrashers, click the word for which you want to find a substitute or opposite. Second step, click the review tab. You can see first step here, accurately. For accurately you are searching. Second step, review tab. You can see here review tab. Third step, in a proofing group, click the Thrashers button. You can see here, this is Thrasher button. In the proofing group, research task pane opens and displays suggested replacements for the word. Now you can see here, first here, perspectively, exactly, correctly. You can see many words here. Now you have to suggest. To replace the selected word with a word from the Thrashers, you can click. You have to click from there the word. Click the drop list box and then click insert. After that you have to insert it. Fifth step, you can click the close button to close the pane. Now students, to close a document, how we will close a document? As you finish working on a document, use these commands to close it. First, click the Microsoft Office button. You have to click on it. Second, click close. After that, you have to click on the close. The document closes. To exit word, first click the exit word. You can click exit word. You can exit from here, or click on the icon cross in the top right corner of the word Microsoft Word closes. From here you can also exit from the word. As you close the document, a dialog box appears in which Microsoft Word asks, do you want to save the changes to computer.docs? If click yes if you want to save the changes. If you want to save the changes, then click on yes. Otherwise, click no if you do not want to save the changes. Like that you can exit from the word. Now, now students, chapter is finished. We will revise exercise questions. Some exercise questions we will revise. First, fill in the blanks. Microsoft Office Word enables you to edit, format and create documents. This time you have to write in your notebook. Second, when you start Microsoft Office Word 2007, a blank document named as Document 1 appears on the screen. Third, to select a single word in a document, just double click inside the word without a pause. Fourth, you can use the page up and page down keys to move within a document. Page up and page down. Fifth, you can reposition text in your document by cutting and pasting it. Next question is true and false. State T for true and F for false. Before doing any operation on the text, you must select it. Yes, this is true. Find tool enables you to search your document for a particular word or phrase. This is also true. Press the control key to select the whole text in a document. False. Fourth, Thrashers helps you to replace a difficult word with a simple one. False. Fifth, word replaces a green squiggly underline beneath the spelling error. This is also false. Next question is write the steps to copy text from one place to another. You can see these in your book and write in your notebook. Find and replace text, check spellings and grammar. You have to do these questions from book and you also know these answers. These you have already done when this chapter is taught to you. Now the revision of this chapter is completed. Now, okay, bye-bye, take care. If you have any doubt, any query, then you can ask to me. Bye-bye.